I've been keeping a bunch of stuff bottled up. And now I want to let it out right here, right now. So gurgly. They feel so good coming up my throat. I'm so nasty. I'm so gross. But I love it so much that I don't care how gross it is. Feeling horny. Baby want burpee. That all baby want to do be burpee. Just be gassy, gross, nasty baby. Aren't I nasty? Just so gross. Baby, make burpees. Baby, have nice, fuckable ass. Baby wanna be rammed while being burpee for a nice daddy. Want to be horny and burp for daddy. Baby needs special sticky milkies. The grosser they sound, the better they are. Baby is so gross. Baby want to be treated like baby. Want treated like gassy baby. Punished with sexy spankies. And fed warm, yummy gummies. Then get gassy all over. That's what baby wants. To just be horny for daddy. But baby don't have daddy. Baby lonely. Baby just want be burpee for daddy. God, my ass. So hot. So hot. Baby can be burpy on command for daddy, but baby no have daddy, so baby burp for self. Oh God. Oh God. Oh my God. I can't hold it back any longer. I want to be treated like nothing but a gassy baby. I want to be diapered. I want to be fed. I want to be changed. I just want to be baby. That's all I want. I want to be treated like nothing but a baby. I want to please. I want be spanked or punished. Be diapered, forced to go until it feels comfortable. I want to burp for anybody. They all feel so good, and I bet they would feel and taste even better if I had a daddy to treat me like a baby, to spank and ram me, to diaper me, change me, to burp me. That's what I want. I want to be burped. That's what I want. That's all I've ever wanted. I want to get wet and messy, then get changed and get rammed. I think I'm gonna give one more. A big one. No, more. Baby's been gone for too long. It's so tight. It's so... But I love it. I love the tightness. I love the feeling of the diapers. I love the feeling of something being put up my bussy. I love the feeling of... burping for anybody. Just swallowing air. Taking in a few gulps, feeling my belly get all tight, and then let it out in a big, massive, bubbly, gurgly, burpy, lovey. I